2,000 years later.
We're here at SM North. Dito na po kami magla-lunch from Mandaluyong para malapit kami sa exit. I'm with the big boss. Hi! So, saan tayo kakain? Wala pa.
Nakita na nga.
Hanap mo namin ang kakainan. See you there! We're going to fill up the house decoration form. It's a must before you dine in. We're going to try Jamaican patty shops. Ewan ko ano ba to?
Jamaican patty. Jamaican patty.
Basta. So mga nangyan ko kami nini. So, sabi po ng boss ko, masarap to. Pag yaman-yaman, bahala ka na eh. Kapani na.
No.
Nalasa yung kayo. Fish soup. Kaya mo na. Love it. Haggard ko na. Di na po namin na-vlog kanina. Nasa department store kami. Kaya kami, meniglo kami. Ang daming sales sa appliance center. Nakabili kami ng mga pang-bake. And now we're here at the Dairy Queen. We're going to try the brown sugar milk tea series na Blizzard. And of course, meron kaming milk tea. Just one. Dahil sugar overload. And we also have one from Dairy Queen. So, try lang namin. We originally planned to go to Banapol. Kaso, nakakahingal na at wala pa akong tulog. Oh, hello ka naman. Hi, boss. Alright. Happy chat time! Hi! Sorry po, nasa sasakyan na kami. Dito na lang po kami kakain nung ice cream namin. Nalusaw. Kasi sobrang selan, wala pong mga tables. So, we decided to go here sa car with the big boss, of course. Ayan, nagmi-milk tea na siya.
Patas na ng sugar.
And we're going home to Pampanga. Dahil wala pa po tayong tulog and tomorrow is another day. Kaya bye-bye na. Bye! Happy Friday!
Oh no!